Hello friends, this is Dr. Rajiv Gupta. I am taking a lecture series related to stereochemistry and MCQ explanation. This is the part 6 of this lecture series. The question is which of the following molecule is a chiral? So here in these options the IUPAC name with chirality descriptors are shown for that molecules. So which molecule is achiral we have to find out. तो सबसे पहले हम इन मॉलिक्यूल्स की स्ट्रक्चर्स ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं. अगर हम पहले मॉलिक्यूल की स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करें तो इसको हम फीचर प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म में इजीली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. 2R 3R 2,3 dichloropentane. So here at position number second chloro group is present, position number third also chloro group present, and remaining portion is a ethyl group. Okay, it is CH2 CH3 group. This is ethyl group. So this will be the structure of these 2,3 dichloropentane, 2,3 dichloropentane. So this will be a type of structure. The position of chlorines could be right hand side or left hand side, depends on the chirality descriptor. Now see, these both structures could not be a chiral. Okay, these could not be a chiral because in both the structures the plane of symmetry is not present, and we have to find out a chiral molecule which contains plane of symmetry. So here we cannot divide this type of molecule into two half parts applying a plane of symmetry. See, this chlorine, hydrogen may form mirror images, but the above part is methyl group and this below part is ethyl group. So this molecule could not show a plane of symmetry in any case. The chirality descriptor, whatever it is, chirality descriptor whatever it is it R, S or SR or whatever, but plane of symmetry will not present in this type of molecule because the terminal, these groups are different. This is methyl group, this is ethyl group. So these option A and B we can cancel out. Now consider the option C. First we have to draw the fissure projection of this structure. At position number 2 and position number 4 chlorine atoms are present. This is position number 2 and this is position number 4. Now here the possibility is present where a plane of symmetry is possible. Okay, where this methylene group which is present in the middle could show this plane, or this plane passes through this methylene group, and this half portion and this half portion will be mirror images to each other. So first of all the possibility is C or D, but we have to check the chirality descriptor. Suppose if we consider this molecule where the second number chiral center configuration is S. So how we make the S configuration? The chlorine will get number 1, this 2, this is 3, and here hydrogen is present, this is 4. Now 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Now this is the clockwise rotation, so it could be R, but reverse the answer, so it is S. Okay, it is S because fourth number priority group it is present at horizontal line in this fissure projection, so it is S. Now this will be obviously R. If chlorine atom is present at the same side, then the second chiral center will get just opposite configuration, so it is R. Okay, so it will R. So it is S and it is R. So now see this, here it is 2S and 4S. So this possibility also goes. It is not considered because 2s 4s will have the chlorine atom at the left hand side on the second chiral center. So here plane of symmetry will not present. So the correct option is D option, where the first chiral center configuration is S and the second chiral center configuration is R. So the correct answer is D. So this 2s 4r 2,4 dichloropentane is a achiral molecule which contains a plane of symmetry, where these both chloroatoms, both hydrogen atoms and both methyl groups are making mirror images of each other. Okay. Now next question, which of the following is meso compound? So only one compound or more than one compound could be a meso compound. We have to first check this. So again we have to remind the definition of meso compound. A meso compound is that compound which contains at least two chiral centers and one plane of symmetry. That is a meso compound. So here no chiral center is present in this molecule, so it is not possible. So it is not a meso compound. This molecule does not contain a plane of symmetry, but it contains two chiral centers. This carbon is chiral carbon, this carbon is chiral carbon in this second structure. But here a plane of symmetry we cannot apply because the both bromine atoms are attached in trans manner. So here this plane of symmetry we cannot form because one bromine atom is present above the plane and one below the plane. Now check this third structure. In this third structure, these both carbon atoms are not chiral centers. Sorry, these are chiral centers. Actually the four different groups are different. How? I can show you. Bromine atom, hydrogen atom, this is methylene group, or we can say CH2 CHBr group, this complete group, and here CH2 CH2 means the environment is different. The tetrahedral environment of this carbon atom is different. So this carbon atom is a chiral carbon, also it is a chiral carbon. Okay. Now check the another thing in this molecule. What we have to check? We have to check plane of symmetry or center of symmetry in this molecule. Okay, plane of symmetry or center of symmetry in this molecule. So here plane of symmetry in this molecule is not possible because these bromine atoms are present in a trans manner. Okay, these are present in a trans manner. So obviously here the plane of symmetry is not exist. We cannot apply this type of plane. Also center of symmetry we cannot consider here. The center of symmetry is also not exist. So this molecule is also a chiral molecule. Now consider this molecule. Here both are chiral centers and also a plane of symmetry is present where this bromine is forming a just mirror image of this bromine. This lower portion also forming mirror image, means this half part is just a mirror image of this half part. Okay, so this fourth number structure actually is a meso compound which contains two chiral centers and one plane of symmetry. So correct option is actually D. The correct option is D. Here we cannot write this E option. The correct option is D. The fourth structure is a meso compound. Now next question, which molecule has a plane of symmetry? So this is a direct question related to plane of symmetry. We have to check the symmetry element that is plane of symmetry element, sigma element, where first of all we see what is plane of symmetry. An imaginary plane inside a molecule which bisect this a molecule into two half parts, where these two half parts are just mirror images of each other, then that plane is called a plane of symmetry. So first of all we check a plane is present or not in these molecules. So first of all check this first structure. This is Fischer projection where only one carbon is a chiral carbon, where all the four groups are different attached groups: chloro group, fluorine group, okay, chlorine group, fluorine, hydrogen, and this CH2Cl group, CH2Cl, that is chloromethylene group. So all the four groups are different, which are directly attached to this carbon atom. So this is a chiral carbon, and this second carbon is not chiral carbon because both hydrogen atoms are same. So we know that a molecule which contains one chiral carbon is always a chiral molecule, and that chiral molecule does not contain any plane of symmetry. Okay, so this does not contain any plane of symmetry, so we remove this option. Now come to the second molecule. This molecule is a cyclopropane ring skeleton which contains two substituents, chloro and methyl group. So we can apply a plane of symmetry like this. See, the plane which is passing through, we can say a diagonal plane which is passing through these two carbon atoms and also cutting in middle this chlorine and hydrogen atom and hydrogen and methyl group. So in case of second molecule, a plane of symmetry is present. Now consider this third structure. Here we can observe this plane of symmetry where this half portion is just mirror image of this half portion, because both the methyl groups are present at cis position, at syn position. So this half portion is just becoming mirror image of this half portion. So option, so molecule, second molecule and third molecule should be the correct answer where plane of symmetry exists. So what is the correct option? As shown here, D option. More than one of these. Okay, more than one of these means these are these two molecules, second and third. The second and third structures have plane of symmetry, but the first one does not contain this plane of symmetry. So the correct option, we can say that more than one of these means two molecules have this type of plane of symmetry. So these two molecules are actually achiral and this first molecule is chiral. Now question number 35, which molecule has a plane of symmetry? Again plane of symmetry related question. See this first wedge dash representation of this chiral structure, chiral compound, because this carbon atom attached with both the methyl groups are same here. So this is achiral carbon. So here we can see that a plane of symmetry exists in this molecule, in this first molecule, where a plane goes through the OH, this carbon, and H, means it cuts this hydroxyl groups, this carbon atom, tetrahedral carbon atom, and this hydrogen group, and both the methyl groups are becoming mirror image to each other. So it contains a plane of symmetry. Now check this second structure. All the four groups are different. This is hydroxyl group, hydrogen atom, ethyl group, and methyl group. So this tetrahedral carbon atom, which is situated at this middle position over here, is a chiral carbon, and we know that in this chiral molecule the plane of symmetry does not exist. Now check this third molecule. Obviously we can clearly see this plane of symmetry where this half portion is becoming just mirror image of this half portion. So the molecule number 1 and molecule number 3 contains plane of symmetry. So again here the answer is same, that is D. More than one of these contains plane of symmetry. Now next question. which compound does not possess a plane of symmetry? Now here we have to check that compound which does not contain plane of symmetry, means that compounds which could be chiral compounds. So this first compound contains plane of symmetry. Okay, this first compound contains plane of symmetry, but the question is does not possess plane of symmetry, so this option is not correct. Now check this second option. Here a plane of symmetry is present, this plane of symmetry, so this option is not correct. Now here plane of symmetry not present in this molecule, plane of symmetry does not present, so it is a good option, it is a better option. It does not possess plane of symmetry. Okay, we cannot apply any plane here where half part of the molecule becoming the mirror image of the other half part. Now this structure and these structures, these are, we have to concentrate for some more time. See, here it is a cyclohexane ring, 6-membered ring, 6 carbon atoms are present, and actually this cyclohexane exists in chair conformation, which is the most stable conformation of these molecules. It also contains this like structure. So what is the actual structure of this molecule? This is a chair conformation. Okay, in chair conformation, if two substituents, where these are bromine atoms, if two substituents are present in trans manner, see, one is present at wedge and second at dash, means these are trans. So 1 2 trans, 1 2 trans, meaning that these are axial or equatorial. Okay, these could be axial or equatorial, means 1 2 cis or 1 2 axial equatorial is cis, but 1 2 axial or 1 2 equatorial is a trans configuration. So we can put here like this, these are bromine atom, suppose we put here on equatorial positions bromine, here again bromine. So we cannot apply any plane of symmetry in this molecule. Okay, you imagine this molecule in 3 dimension, you cannot apply any plane of symmetry. So this is a correct option, this is a better option, which does not possess plane of symmetry. Now check this molecule. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 carbon atoms are present. So obviously this molecule will not contain plane of symmetry. Okay, this will not contain plane of symmetry. So the option is option is 3 and 4. Option is the correct option is shown here, D, 3 and 4. The option 5 is I think 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. This molecule, maybe this molecule does not contain and maybe possess plane of symmetry. So second, third and fourth, third, 4 and this. Okay, so this fifth structure, which is a cycloheptane ring system, in this cycloheptane ring system where both methyl groups are cis in manner, so this molecule contains plane of symmetry if we imagine its 3-dimensional structure. So the correct options are 3 and 4, which does not possess plane of symmetry. So the correct option is actually D. Okay. Now next question. Which molecule is a meso compound? Again, to find out meso compound, first we have to see 2 chiral centers in a molecule and 1 plane of symmetry in that molecule. So obviously this first structure is a meso compound which contains 2 chiral carbon and 1 plane of symmetry. Okay, this half part is just mirror image of this above half part. So this is a meso compound. Now check this second structure. To check this structure, first we have to make even number interchanges. In this interchange, suppose we choose the second number chiral center. Now we get this type of structure, hydrogen OH group, CH3 group. Now first interchange these two groups. Here methyl groups comes and over here hydroxyl groups come. Now interchange these two groups. This is the second interchange. So what we get here CH3 and here hydrogen. So see here plane of symmetry exists. So this second structure is also a meso compound. Now check the third structure. Third structure will not have a plane of symmetry if we make suppose we move this here and this over here. Here we get hydrogen and here methyl group. Okay, now if we interchange these two, here we get fluorine and here hydrogen. Obviously it will not contain plane of symmetry, so it is not a meso compound. So only two structures, structure 1 and structure 2 are meso compounds. So the correct option is D, where more than one of the above structures are meso compounds. Now this question, which molecule is a meso compound? The compound which contains two chiral centers and one plane of symmetry. This molecule will never contain a plane of symmetry, so it is not a meso compound. No plane of symmetry we cannot apply here because both the groups are different. Here it is OH group, here fluorine group, so we cannot make this type of meso compound. Here it is also not meso compound, we cannot apply a plane of symmetry. Here it is a achiral molecule. Okay, it is a achiral molecule, but it is not a meso compound. Means it contains a plane of symmetry. It contains a plane of symmetry, but it does not contain two chiral centers. So it is not a meso compound. Now this molecule does not contain a chiral center and it also contains plane of symmetry, so it is also not a meso compound. Now consider this molecule. It is also not a meso compound because it does not contain any chiral center. Actually it contains plane of symmetry. It also contains a plane of symmetry. It also contains plane of symmetry. Okay, but these don't contain plane of symmetry. So some molecules have plane of symmetry but does not contain two chiral centers, and these two structures have two chiral centers but no plane of symmetry. So no compound in these molecules, no compounds are meso compounds. So the correct option is E, means none of the above. None of the above compounds are meso compounds. Now the next question, which of the following substances is achiral? Achiral means optical inactive, means which contain plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. The molecule which contain a plane of symmetry or a center of symmetry, that molecule we can say it is a achiral molecule stereochemically. Now consider this first structure. It is a cyclobutane ring. On cyclobutane ring, two substituents are present, chloro group and methyl group. Here we can see a plane of symmetry, a plane of symmetry which bisect these chlorine atom, hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom, this methyl group, and these two carbon atoms in the middle, and these both portions are becoming mirror images to each other. So it is a achiral molecule. Now this molecule which contains two chiral centers, but it does not contain a plane of symmetry. We cannot apply a plane. So it is not a chiral molecule. Now this molecule is a chiral molecule because no plane of symmetry is present. Okay, so this option is also removed. Now check this molecule. It is a cyclohexane derivative where cyclohexane contains chair conformation. In chair conformation, if the substituents are present at 1 and 4 position, it is actually 4-methyl cyclohexanol. So OH group is present at position number 1 and methyl group at position number 4. So, and both are anti or trans isomers at trans position. So 1,4 trans. 1,4 trans means these could be axial or equatorial. So suppose we put here at equatorial position hydroxyl group and again equatorial position methyl group, because 1,4 trans positions are generally equatorial positions, and these also could be axial positions, but equatorial positions are more thermodynamically stable. So I formed here equatorial positions. So now consider a plane which is passing through this carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. This plane actually bisects this oxygen atom, hydrogen atom in the middle, and also this methyl group in the middle, and this half portion of the molecule is becoming just mirror image of this half portion. So this molecule contain a plane of symmetry, so this molecule is actually a achiral molecule. So structure 1 and structure 4 both are achiral, means our correct option is E option, means more than one of these compounds are achiral, and here these two compounds are 1 and 4. So thank you for listening this lecture.